Good morning, YouTube. This is Brandon here. Just got our first addition for the car, aftermarket blow-off valves to add one. Here's all the parts. It did come with some extra O-ring, which is the same ones I already put in here. All your hardware. So that's what we're about to work on. Here she is. So we're going to take these off and put the aftermarket blow-off valves on so we can actually hear it. 10mm extension, ratchet, 3/8, pliers. And we're going to take this hose off because we got a cap off down here on both sides. And then we'll remove this part right up here and get it all teed off using everything that they gave us, and I will try to do a update video on it. I'm going to try to record this the best I can with my phone, so my apologies if it doesn't exactly turn out right. I don't have any of my battery tools right now, so if you want to speed up the process, you won't hurt my feelings at all. There's 4 down, 4 to go. By the way, I would have revved it up for you already, but the wife's sleeping, so I ain't trying to piss her off right now. You don't hear nothing out of these things, though, if you don't know the truth. That's the reason why I'm doing this. All 4 of them out. And we'll disconnect this part of the hose down here. Yeah, see that? A lot easier said than done. Especially when you don't have the right tools with you. Make it work. Ow. Come on, man, get on there. Yeah, you'll notice I'll talk myself, so I apologize for that too, but oh well. Usually I listen to music, so I can't do that right now. And there's one hose. And you just kind of pop off, twist a little bit. Yeah, see that. Yeah, one of those stacked up. Imagine that. might not be a pain right now. Like at all times. Oh, this is ridiculous. That's someone super glue this one on. I almost got it off, it just still stuck on it. This is just so stupid. It just slides right over that, so all you're doing is trying to pull it off of that. I don't want to wear gloves because, man, it's already hot down in here in Georgia. Apologize, that put me in a little workout right there. Man. Alright, let's finish getting this thing going. Okay, quick update. Just got done taking the little gaskets off the old blow-off valve mounts. Put them on new. Now, here's the thing I wanted to let y'all know. These are the upgraded ones as far as the pros from Add 1. If you can see this gap right here. I'm sorry, my phone sucks right now. There we go. It's a very small gap to get that snap ring down in there with some certain pliers. But I didn't have any with me at the time, so I went to a parts store and I got the $20 ones that came with the variety. Anyways, they were apparently cheaply made because they broke. So I went up and exchanged and got an upgraded version, and these are the ones I went with from Advanced Auto Parts. I think it was right at $40 part number, and I used the black bits that were in it because it had the better angle to be able to get that snap ring down in there. Otherwise, you're never going to get that snap ring in there. You have to have a certain angled one and a plier strong enough to actually compress these. I mean, these are some good size snap rings. So yeah, just want to let y'all know ahead of time what you need to have before you attempt to do this at home. So hopefully you won't run into the same problem. I'll keep y'all with updates. Hey, welcome back. So I wanted to let y'all know one other thing real quick too. When you're putting these back on, blow-off valves, you got to put them on a certain way. As far as the brackets, the black part, the widest part, which is going to be on this side right here, you want it on the inside on both sides. So the widest part, the black bracket, is going to be on the inside on both sides. So in other words, you can't flip it around like this because the holes aren't going to line up right. Thicker gap on the inside, both sides. 10mm wrench. Can't get no socket on there either. So, hope that helps. Hey guys, we are back. I'm gonna try to block some of this light so y'all can see this better. I just got a GoPro, so this will be the last time using a phone. However, I wanted to show y'all how I ran mine. Just used a T adapter and connected everything. And I'm sure y'all probably want to hear it. See if I can let y'all hear from underneath the hood. Alright, there you have it. Hope y'all enjoyed. This is the Add W1, the upgraded blow-off valves through them, the pros. You can adjust the sound of the blow-off valve as far as if you want it softer, harder. It's pretty self-explanatory on that. If you have any questions, ask. I'll help you out the best way I can. Hope y'all enjoyed. And like I said, I got a GoPro now, so content will hopefully get better. But I can't guarantee it, but I'm going to definitely try. Y'all have a great day.